Ready?
Yes. Guys, I'm stressed.
Because it's just, I mean, what's not fun about celebrating a sweet 16? Let me start over. Okay. It'll be fine.
Everything is fun about celebrating our sweet 16.
It'll be fine. It'll be fine. I gotta do something different. Okay.
Oh no.
Okay. So the first thing we're gonna tackle is, you tell us, Tatiana. By the way, no, we gotta start over. See? Oh, that was good till that point. I have to introduce you,
By
though.
the way, guys, I'm Tatiana.
This is Tatiana. We're gonna introduce both of ourselves. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Start over. But we kind of gotta think.
Okay.
All right. Ready?
Yeah.
And we are on our day 2 of our.
I was like 16 something. Our 16-minute organizational sprints. Yeah. Okay.